Welcome to Tasker Terry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble this bed from ENDY. The first step in this process is to prepare the legs to go on the headboard and the footboard. You can remove the little plastic protectors from the threads and then thread them into the footboard and headboard. Now, one step I didn't show in the video is to stick the little protectors on the bottom of the feet. They come in a little bag. They're little two-sided sticky felt things. Make sure those legs are screwed in nice and tight, otherwise your bed is going to wobble and it's eventually going to be damaged. This is a pretty basic assembly today, but hopefully if you're stuck somewhere, this video will help you out. If this video has helped you out today, please give me a like and a follow. And that's the footboard. So we're going to flip over the headboard and get it in this position. Pay attention to the orientation of the side rails. They're going to hook into those slots and push down. You do have to give them a little bit of a push. Same thing on this side into the slots, and give it a good firm push down. And then we'll move over to the footboard and do the exact same thing. Give it a good firm thump to get that down even with the other piece. Next, we'll get the middle support beam in. First, we'll screw the two remaining legs into the appropriate positions. Again, make sure these are screwed in nice and tight. If there's any wobble, it's eventually going to cause you issues. And again, pay attention to the orientation of that board right now. Nice and tight. Don't leave those loose. I see too many problems with people that have loose, wobbly beds because they don't tighten those. Make sure these are fully inserted on the headboard and footboard. And then on the bottom of each of these legs, they have a little adjustable part. I'll show you here. I'm actually going to take this back off to show you. So both of those little feet unscrew, and you want them to be touching the floor. So again, fit that support beam in, push it all the way in, and then unscrew those until they're actually touching the floor. Just like that, just touching. You don't want them to be lifting the board up, they just have to touch the floor. And just like that, next we'll get the slats on. I'll give you a close-up of what these are supposed to look like in a second. Now you see how they all lock into place with those pieces of wood on the sides. That'll hold everything nice and tight into place. They're also velcroed there on the sides. Notice that the straps are all on the bottom of the slats. And that's it. Hopefully I've helped you today if you were stuck somewhere. And if I helped you today, please give a like and a follow. That's what we should look like right now.